Alright, we're on video 891, also known as BFJ 191. We've made these bombs strobe. Let's look at the code. Source code is here. Let's get going. So in shader source fragment number 8, which is our bombs for Josh shader, within the main entry point, within the main function that's executed once per fragment, we have this section called render collected binary tiles where we've made some adjustments. So if we scroll down here, we're going to get to the section where we're rendering a bomb tile. And I can tell because this V16 value is being extracted from the binary bomb data here. And right here, if we have a non-zero bomb, we're going to extract the bomb state from the binary tile payload for our bomb. We have to shift by 26 and mask with a binary 2 bits in a row, right? Because the bomb state enumeration is 2 bits. So BS4 stands for bomb state enumeration, of which there are 4 total values, 0, 1, 2, and 3 inclusive. This is our strobe multiplier. We're going to take the bomb state and we're going to add 1. And we have a little annotation that explains this in further detail at the bottom of the file. Let's go down here. Okay, so if our bomb bit is turned on, so we're inside of the glyph symbol for our bomb, the kind of colored part, like this cyan colored part, if we're inside of that part, then we're going to add this strobe multiplier to the game tick timer to make the symbol flash faster as the bomb state enumeration increases in value. Then if we're in the grayscale square gradient part of the bomb, so the gray area of the bomb, if we're inside of that part of the bomb, we're going to make that part of the bomb flash by doing this modification right here. So we're taking the distance from edge and we're subtracting the sign of the bomb state enumeration times the game ticker. Now if the bomb state is 0, then this is going to end up being 0, and the sign of 0 is 0, and the distance from edge minus 0 means that this is going to do nothing, right? And that's why these bombs that were set in the editor have no change, but these bombs that were set inside of game mode do have a change, and that's all we did. So yeah, that's all we did. If you want a longer explanation, go here. We're out of time. If you you're on the fast code review. Source code is here. Ways of getting a hold of me. In the next video, we're gonna work on more editor changes. Like and subscribe.